Howdy, howdy, howdy. Welcome back. How's everyone doing today? I'm just going to scratch these here $38 in tickets for y'all. And let's hope we win big for, well, quite frankly, an exciting video would be cool. Please like, subscribe, and comment. I triple dog dare you because if you know, you know. Anyway, let's get started. We have a $3 holiday word blast on ticket 71, a $5 super loteria on 35, a $10 mega loteria, the bronze or copper, whatever color that is, for 5, and this silver pink $20 million loteria on ticket 21. Let's start with this one. All right. I know I need to get different tickets. I just love these though. This is what I always played. J and Q. E and U. Oh. Why do I do that? Why? Why? O and I. Wow, look at all those vowels. All right. Well, look at that, except for the Y. V and A. We don't have the N. V and A. There's the... Okay. And the Y. Y and R. And if we get the N, we'll have January. But I accidentally scratched part of it, made it look like a winner. C and K. G and H. F and B. P and Z. Sneakers. Sneakers. All right. Do we have a T? No. How about M? No. D? No. L? Nope. Nope. No S. Okay. At least they could have done is given us $3 over here for making this look so good. So good. All right. This one on ticket 35. We've got a guitar and a rabbit. Oh, sorry. Horseshoe and shoes. Got horseshoe. Sunset and boar. Sunset boar. New. Spear and fire. Spear. Oh my gosh, I've been forgetting to look down here this whole time. Y'all, I'm tired. Okay. We've got these two and sunset. We have shoes and boar. We have fire. And now pinata and cherries. I don't know what sorry, y'all were like screaming hard. Pinata and cherries. I took a nap, woke up, thought it was morning. Realized it was not. I think I've done this 2 days in a row now. I have been getting behind on my online reselling since I started doing this. Saddle and Mockingbird. There's the Mockingbird. Goodness gracious, y'all. Strawberries and corn. Lizard and the hen with a win here. Nice, nice. Okay. We have 5 left to scratch. If we can get this and this, these 2 characters, it'll be a really good $5 ticket. Bat. Spur. We have another win down here. There is a spur up here. We have a covered wagon and a blue bonnet, which we have both of. So we've got these 3 wins. It could really be anything. It's been a while since I've gotten all 3 of those. And a road runner. So we got the 10 up here. Let's see what we've got. So we've got this 10. Oh, wait. Oh, my God. 20, 30. Nice. Oh, my gosh. What is this going to be? 5, 10, $50 win. We've got 10, 20, 30, 50. $50 win on a $5 loteria. That's really great. I love it. I will take it. We've got all of our money back for this sesh so far. And that was, again, ticket 35. Well, that's exciting. Let's see if we can keep it up with this. I'm going to grab my bevy, which is right up here. So I'm addicted to fountain Dr. Peppers. I used to have such an addiction to Dr. Peppers when I was in my teens. A friend of mine and I. It was back when you could win a free Dr. Pepper under the lid of your bottle of Dr. Pepper. It would say free Dr. Pepper or whatever. And we were so broke, and we had a Dr. Pepper, and then we had the winning thing, and then we lost it, and then we looked all over for it because we didn't have any money. We had gas for the car, though. His car. It's funny. Okay, this is on ticket 5. I need to quit drinking them. I need to just go down to 1 a week. I quit drinking just over 3 years ago. And all that sugar, sodas are bad for you. It's like rinsing your teeth in sugar. So bad for you. Butterfly and a Roadrunner. Here is the Roadrunner. No butterfly. Lone Star and Mortar Pestle. Here is the Mortar Pestle. No Lone Star. Boar and Bunny. And we've got them both here. We have a gem and a hen. Here's the gem. I do not see a hen. Horse and strawberries. None there. Horse here. No strawberries. Newspaper would be super. I hope I'm not coming down with what my roommate had. It wasn't COVID and it wasn't a flu. But we got spear and ship. None of that. And these here parts. Soccer ball and spur. Nope. Saddle and cowboy. Got them both here. Which means they won't be on the top game up here. Shoes and windmill. More shoes up here. And we've got a windmill here. Mockingbird and horseshoe. Do you have horseshoe? Lizard and race car. We've already got a win. Nice, nice. Do we have another lizard or a race car? I did not think so. Fire and sunset. Sunset. All right, 4 spots. 4 spots. Cardinal and pinata. Got another pinata here, and we've got the cardinal here as well. So nothing at top. Corn and bicycle. Just corn. And no bicycle. So we don't have any wins there. We don't have anything there. But what is this? What is this? Got $10 back. Excellent. Next is this beauty on ticket 21. All right. Spear and maracas. Some maracas. Nope. Saddle and ship. Got them both here. We have pinata and a butterfly. Here is a butterfly. And we have a pinata. Feel fine. I think I just have the sinus thing as usual. We have pecan tree and armadillo. Boar and shoes. We have 2 boars. Nothing up there. Sunset hen. We have hen. Bat and football. There's bat. There is a bat. And here is another bat. So is it bat and football? We do not seem to have a football. Desert and cactus. Cactus here. And a cactus here. No desert to be found. Cherries and spur. Wheel and newspaper. We've got a newspaper here. If we could get a cardinal, we could get a win. We do not have a wheel or a newspaper up here. Okay. Guitar. Cardinal. Oh, yay. We got that cardinal. Guitar and cardinal. Now let's get a bunny rabbit. Oh, wait. We are blocked from winning here. Excuse me. Oh my goodness. Oh no. I might sneeze again. Oh goodness. I wonder if I'm allergic to this scratch dust. I always wonder if it's toxic. It's like metal, right? Because some of it's iridescent. Oh goodness, y'all. Race car and bicycle. Got another win. We have at least a $20 win at this point. We have no race car or bicycle up there. Oh. Chili pepper and cowboy. See, we win here. Oh no, we could, no. Ew. Ugh, excuse me, goodness gracious. Horseshoe. Ugh, all right. No more horseshoes. Did I have a bunny? I did not. Okay. Let's see. First, let's see what these are. It can really be anything. 10. 10. So these aren't going to be winners, but as usual, I will scratch them. Okay, so on this session, we got back 20 and $50, $70 on 38 in tickets. I will definitely take it all day long. That's a super win as far as I'm concerned. Okay, y'all. Thanks for stopping by. And again, I triple dog dare you to subscribe, like, and comment. Y'all have a good day. Have fun. Play responsibly. And I love you. Bye.